and each transaction on the blockchain incurs a transaction fee based on a tiered pricing structure, meaning fees are determined by transaction size or network activity levels. These fees can vary significantly, making it important to monitor crypto transactions closely. A user can identify patterns and develop strategies to minimize costs by analyzing transaction history. Viewing transaction history can help with tracking and transaction analysis. A cryptocurrency holder can perform transaction tracking in various ways, such as utilizing the search function on a blockchain explorer. This article provides a step-by-step guide on checking crypto transaction logs and where to find the historical data, which is crucial for transaction analysis. Users can employ several strategies for transaction viewing. Blockchain explorers are blockchain specific, meaning they only work with the particular blockchain they're designed for. A blockchain explorer is a tool that reveals records on the crypto ledger. Most explorers are open to the public, enabling the viewing of all transactions initiated and completed on a blockchain network. Each entry contains transaction details such as the amount, timestamp, and the sender and receiver's address. Blockchain explorers have an intuitive user interface, allowing users to search for all transactions, blocks, wallet addresses, and digital asset history. It keeps track of all cryptocurrency records, enabling the confirmation of transaction status, block and wallet balance. A blockchain explorer can help diagnose a transaction or wallet balance issue. Examples of cryptocurrency explorers include and television workshops. Bitcoin is btcscan.org/Bitcoin. And his wife is question etherscan.io Ethereum. Solscan.io Solana. live.blockcipher.com/LTC/Litecoin on bithunt.com/Explorer XR. And a user can use the Explorer to verify the transaction history details of a wallet by entering the wallet's address in the Explorer's search bar. This method is also effective for a cold wallet, which is not connected to the internet, by first securely accessing the address of the cold wallet to search for its transaction history. Before using this functionality, taking appropriate security measures to protect your funds and private keys is crucial. If the searcher used a wallet to transfer tokens, they can use its cryptocurrency records to access the transaction history. A wallet records all the registered incoming and outgoing and not die about 100 customers' opinions. Well, if you see them mainly new, and if you're seeing a data by new reports, what is that? And some third-party platforms can offer insights into transaction histories, as they can provide a feed of all transactions. And these platforms have a user-friendly interface that displays aggregated data for a blockchain. Most third-party platforms allow users to view transactions on desktops or smart devices. They allow users to filter transactions using parameters such as the amount, date, and transaction or token type, presenting the results in an easy-to-understand format. And I continue. And similarly, the cryptocurrency market has plenty of crypto wallet tracker tools that help track wallet transactions. By entering the search query, a user will gain access to transaction history, investment patterns, and potentially some wallet holder information. If the network allows for reduced anonymity, expert users can download the entire blockchain history by running a full node. And this gives them offline access to local searches rather than relying on online resources. However, running a full archival node can be resource intensive and requires significant storage space. For instance, it is not unusual for the node to require 340 gigabytes of space the first time a user runs it. And what is their pride? And then feature 2, and that's why they come. And many ships there. So more like this may feel destabilizing. And step 1, go to the search field on the Blockchain Explorer. And it's going to be such a source, and go up to work in weapon. Step 2, enter the details of the crypto transaction.
The Explorer allows users to search by different parameters like the sender's or receiver's address, transaction ID, the block hash, where the transaction data is stored.
If the results do not display after entering the search query, click Search or the search button to start the search. Step 3. If the user enters the right transaction details on the search bar, they will receive a result or a list of the possible results that could match up the transaction under search. And to find a particular transaction, enter the exact details of the transaction, such as the transaction hash or the exact amount sent. And then what you'll need is fastest. So there's something else, Sackett, and I'll be in the insight, the first note you can see now. This is a simple tool, transaction ID, and send it to anyone needing proof. Instead of logging into a wallet to view transaction history, a user can follow these steps to view the transaction history of a crypto wallet. Step 1, go to the search bar of a blockchain explorer, and maybe step 2, enter the exact wallet address on the search bar. It's preferable to copy-paste the address from the wallet app to avoid errors. Click the search or search button. Ensure the wallet under search is compatible with the blockchain explorer. Step 3, the search results will display the entire digital currency history and the assets present in the wallet. View the different categories, including analytics and public comments onto the wallet. A core CC device by CC, an 8 double service model, and the final transaction wallet successfully valuable and enhanced in and is weighed, provided as a double. And step 1. After logging into Exodus, click the wallet icon. And step 2, locate and click the portfolio button. Now, users with multiple portfolios should clip the corresponding portfolio for which they want to view the transaction history. Those with only one portfolio should skip to step 3, and in feeling, accepting. Step 3, click the profile button at the bottom. Select the history button to view historical transactions. And step 4, to narrow the search, click the All drop-down menu to filter the transactions using options like sent, received, or exchange transactions. As if a transaction might be 4 p.m., you don't know it's quicker. You have to go to course at the same expense of an area of correct an area's life. And that same thing's in working honors and really positive in the future. So the Exodus platform will be used to illustrate the use of third-party services for accessing blockchain history. In step 1, tap the history icon on the Exodus desktop on mobile. Users should tap the portfolio they want to view. If users do not have multiple portfolios, and they should skip to the next step. Step 2, filter the results using the All Assets drop-down menu. The drop-down menu lets users filter results by sent, received, and swapped categories. This assists in narrowing down in the results, making it easier to locate particular transactions. Step 3, click any individual transaction to scrutinize its details. The Bitcoin network will be used for illustrated purposes. Step 1, start the initial block download process, which involves downloading the entire blockchain and then verifying the blocks. Although the installation process provides a wallet, it only stores and records transactions after installation. But step 2, open the Bitcoin blocks subdirectory to view transaction history, and note that it will show all Bitcoin transactions, not just the users, since the transactions are indecipherable, as they are DAT files, build or link a wallet interface, web front end that installs a blockchain explorer UI. The wallet or explorer will visually represent the data, making it easier to understand. Step 3, if the user installed the wallet or blockchain explorer interface, Follow the steps provided in the Wallet and Explorer sections above to view transaction histories, and for an investor, tracking out misplaced or lost cryptocurrency transactions can be a tedious experience. The first thing to do is to review existing records in detail. This includes looking through a cryptocurrency wallet transaction history, reviewing exchange statements to look for missing transactions, and looking through emails to find confirmations from exchanges or wallets. The transaction can be tracked using a blockchain explorer for the relevant cryptocurrency if a fragment of the transaction hash or wallet address is known. If investors need help finding the lost transaction history, then they also contact their exchange support or wallet provider. Specialized data recovery services for lost cryptocurrency transactions are also available. However, they should be utilized cautiously because they may involve costs, and scams are unfortunately prevalent in this area. Furthermore, to prevent the headache of lost transactions, investors should diligently maintain organized wallet histories, save all exchange statements, and archive any emails or bank statements related to their cryptocurrency transactions.